This is what people mean when they want mountain, city, and sunset views, all from one private hilltop home. We're in the Catalina Foothills in one of Tucson's most desired areas, known for its elevation, privacy, and lifestyle. Today I'm going to walk you through this home that was designed to be enjoyed, from outdoor living to the interior spaces. I'll also share what makes living in this community so special. One of the biggest draws of this home is the setting. Elevated on a private hilltop, it offers sweeping mountain, city, and sunset views, along with space for an RV, and has a mega 3-car garage. Outdoor living is where this home truly shines. There's an oversized solar heated pool, a basketball court, and multiple outdoor retreats designed for entertaining, reading, or just simply taking in the fresh air. With a gas stub for barbecue and a balcony fire pit, this space is meant to be lived in year-round. Inside, the home offers comfortable living space that works just as well for everyday living as it does for hosting. With 2 gas fireplaces, new premium carpet throughout, the interior feels both warm and refined. The chef's kitchen features a Frigidaire professional refrigerator and freezer, new microwave and dishwasher, granite countertops, and a prep sink, designed for someone who truly enjoys cooking. A bonus den offers flexibility as a nursery, yoga room, lounge, or home office, adapting to your lifestyle as it changes. Major updates include new exterior paint and wood stain, a new roof coating, new top-of-the-line Remy tankless water heater, newer HVAC systems, 5G capability, an alarm system, and generous storage throughout. Living in the Catalina Foothills means access to top-rated schools, incredible local restaurants, and a strong sense of community, all while being within minutes from shopping, hiking, and the best of Tucson. This is more than just a house. It's a home designed for connection, comfort, and enjoying everything the Catalina Foothills has to offer.